The dege comments. It's gonna be difficult, man. Hello, my people. Good morning. Good morning, my Instagram people. How far una dey? Good morning. Hey, sis, how far? Our children, you not go work. I been at work today. Oh, how far, my people? Oh, this one where I know they see comments. So, good morning. Hey, my people. Some kind things, where God go they do for you. You no go even know. Say this thing where God they do for. What God they do for you? Say, nah, blessing in disguise. Sure you understand? You not gonna know. Say, nah, blessing in disguise. Now the thing be. You understand? No, say before for my life, for this social media work, where they do, I never exercise my freedom before. You know? Oh God. Wait, so my shoe don't lose. Let me tie my ticket. And they see him come. Okay. You know, say for this till I say my camera not clear. Is it better now? Okay. You know, say for this my social media work, I never ever really exercise my freedom of speech all those years. You know, so kind thing day where it dey your mind, the way where you want to talk, you can't consider the way the other person take reason. I mean, you not can go talk your own just now. You can't be like say they do video against your friend, against your person, until you know. So that kind of thing still they worry work, they worry your own way of essay. To essay, go be like say you they consider some few things, some blessing comes in this gap. In this gas. You understand? Today I can choke my mouth in anybody matter. You understand? I don't get limitation. I don't get, hey, if you shook my somebody else will come say, hey, you they talk to me, okay now, you'll see. Many people say, I don't my boy a gage. So can't tell you cannot do it. I really thank my God the way they fight for me for this social media. Give me my freedom by myself. You know, carry people take give unto me, especially presenters. He bring angels all over the world. People like you guys. Hello, mommy. Mama Paulina. Good morning. You understand? He bring people from all over the world wey be una, my angels, today fight my freedom of speech. Today, no matter where I want to talk in my own way, where I dey get If you talk, I know support you again. I know join you again. I know follow you fight again. I know naming you again. Or you be bad person. Why must you do? You understand? God is great, my people, eh? God is great. So there any matter we I no want talk for our side. We go talk am for inside pay show. You see, una go support. You know, say before this super chatting said, where it be say, you know, even they call that much. Some people they'll say, I be like to super chat Monica, but okay, first super chat I just now come still look for chance take go super chat her friend. You can't be like say everything you go dey share. Some kind work where you they do I beg, you no need party, no. You understand? Baba God go just do it for you. Especially people like us where be say we don't really know how to turn person down. We don't really know how to say some kind no direct like that. With the sabi beer to make everywhere good. Now God, intimidation of bondage and bondage, yes. You understand? Thing. Eh? Now God, now they said that kind of freedom, free liberation for person. Now God now set them for me. I'm telling you. You understand? Sometimes some people, I know one mama that time, he want buy me necklace, beautiful one. She be don't buy me oh. Say now let me, she like, she can't buy me necklace. But when she can't call me say I want post it, but somehow, she can't tell by herself, remember, the mama go there or whatever. You understand? So good morning, my lovely people. So he can't call me, can't say, hey, I be one go post with you, I buy come for you. But I know I can't just remember say number 2. You know, nice if I can't send to only you one. Just wait. I don't already send somebody. May make he buy another one, join come for me. You hear? Just wait. Do you know really she not send me that thing because she same person. I made the buy the thing. The thing can't take. He can't say where. The thing can't say where before he can't send me the 2 things. Can't say this one now I buy for you. This one. You see, many times like that. People go want dash you something, but because you they carry a lot of people, they go. That your blessing, they go. They have fun. They give the other one. You understand? If you be like me, you did my situation before. God will do my own, go do your own. Because that time when me evil day, so kind topic day, especially like husband and wife topic. I know how I take the talk husband and wife topic, but because I get somebody where be say she always dey against join your husband to do together. If not good husband, if not also be good husband, they work all your own salary, everybody own your own, but mona do things together, mona do like this, mona manage. But because I get somebody we always dey against such husband and wife planning, you can't be like say some kind topic I want drop, I don't want to offend anybody. See, but one day, Baba God can't bring blessing in disguise to set me free. Not be me doing by myself, because if I not feel doing, you see me so. As I be odogurish so, I for not feel set myself free, because I will say I don't want hurt person. I will say I don't believe in such blessings. Say now by like that, so I'll say are you a tough? I'm a very tough. You see, but Baba God bring a mighty hand. He want to set me free. You understand? If people want love me now, they love me alone. they can't look their pocket if it go reach for 2. If na 20 euro they just get na money car, they no constantly say, hey, here we do guy said, you see, God is great. If I want to do topic now, I know they fear. Do you know if not before this special where they do so? Fear for not let me they do as soon as say they do every 2 weeks. They'll say, hey, you know they consider another person. You see, salo boy. No, don't wise. You know, I love everybody, but I don't know. Say some kind situation where you dey, you don't need to get those type of this thing. And God can still do it. He don't make me call any presenter and say, oh, come help me, oh, come enemy me, oh, come whatever me, oh. Only me one just they do vaca the thing they go. If I talk, if you not believe, you not believe. If you not believe now, no. No concern me. I just they do vaca they go. Now so God just they bring una down and say we no even be presenter. Now start to they help me. Why God not go bless you now? Day and night. Now they bless. Pray for Prince Glory, Spirit God Saints, Kate Clever. Lovomo abi maybe Osas. All of una where God bring come from that beginning to set up that group. Now God now go bless you now. Now God now go bless all of una. All of una we do prayer warrior. Una become prayer warrior because of me. Now not even tell me self. Now so now they pray for una side. Now God go bless you now. Now God go bless that woman. Where come my life? Where come be my director? Now God go bless you, my director. There will be no nepotokwa for where you did. Nepotokwa. Now God go bless all of you now. If I not mention your name, not to say I don't know what you do for me. I know. I've been on my YouTuber super chatters. Now God go bless all of you now. I will not take stand to fight freedom for me. Freedom of speech, freedom of dressing, freedom of anything I want to do, freedom of whatever. God will bless you guys. You forgot Jean Bebe, you can't tell me say I know the see road, the grace, the data. You understand? So, and God now go bless you now. And God now go bless you now this day. No bena, Sabaya bless you. Or bless you anyhow. Anyhow, every area. So bless you now, children, bless you now, our soul. The peace that passeth all understanding shall be your portion in Jesus' name. That peace, Mona, they pray, put every morning. Me, I know they too ask God for money, ask God for this. If I wake up, I don't bless and say, God, thank you for the peace that passeth all understanding that you gave me. So, kind time, which they me and director they talk for you. When director will tell me some kind things, I say, director, hey, do you know I know the time where I pass through all this thing? I know you don't feel, I don't know. But this day, if I say, hey, you need to break me. We make her, when me they pass, I mean, don't even know, say, I saw the thing really deal. For where? Say, you, so that's why people, he say, even she for us, go say, this girl, how you go feel now? Say, you will still come and make up, you go laugh, everything look real. He go say, baby, I no wake me. I say, I don't know. I know they know, say they pass through fire. That's what Baba God did. If I did situation, I know they know whether he had. I know they know. But if I don't pass and finish, if I can't look back, I would say, now yeah, I feel pass. Now yeah, I feel pass. But when I dey pass, I know they know. Now that peace, so where God take they bless me in every situation. Even when I dey fire, Baba God go give me peace. He no go let that fire burn me. He no go let me feel the heat. I no go even know. now it go build a portion. This life now different situation, different problem everybody they see. You understand? But the problem and the situation, they will never be permanent. They can't even be. No situation is permanent. Situation when you did this year, you cannot date next year. If it must change. And so it go still be for now. I mean if person they do you bad today, it go finish. Either you can't get used to that bad or you can't get way out of that bad way they affect you of anything. See me today. Waiting be the matter where I know fit talk. Yes, what they go do? They go gather together like before. Abi? That's the worst we have ever seen. Say the whole presenter gather together. That's the worst. Apart from that, we have not seen anything worse. That's the highest. That's the worst that they can do. They cannot do more than that. There they go, so. You understand? Hello, my lady. I read the comment. Yes, so the peace of the Lord. Oh, thank you so much, Lilian Basuyi. God will bless you, ma. Hi, Ebayo. My lady. Who be this one? You don't let my people rush you. Don't let my people rush you doing your thing alone. It's even the I am telling you. I say it's one of the best gifts. One of the best gifts God gave to me in 2020. You know say me. One thing we I hate most na control. I know they like that kind of power control. I know they like her. Me, I can't they under pressure, like, you know, I know they too much like her. But when it be say I meet myself there, I go the beer, you know. Okay. Baba God can't set me free. Imagine as live video become big now. Everything I swear for the share. If you don't share, you'll be bad person. And me too. I cannot even do that. Say me I not share because I don't believe in shop alone. I don't believe in it. I believe in mine is mine. I'm in a round a lesson mine. Now I believe. I don't believe in because you call for person. We finish. My last one that time. Can still you say come for me. You go say no. You say you come for me, you don't come for me, you must finish. Because if I don't come for you, no, we finish. Hey, but you must still finish. Mama, I really thank God for you. Since you started your page show, they have a lot of peace in your social media. My God, you see now. I know what I asked God about my social media space. God is going to excessively do it. You know, say God na person very busy. If you ask for one, he go put plenty jara. Please upload this video to YouTube. Okay, then if I video, I'm gonna save it then. There is nothing as sweet as freedom to express who you are. Nothing as free as freedom. You see me also. Me, I felt they tell people now. Hardly before you see me, really like quarrel with somebody without no mercy, disrespectful. Hardly, and people are usually not. I'm somebody that is reachable, outspoken, polite. So even if you offend me, these things that is in me, I will still be able to deal with you without having any big issue, because I will understand. I'm reachable, I'm outspoken, can tell you where you offend me, and I will understand if you also explain your side. I put myself in people's shoes a lot because I don't see for life. I don't really see. I don't see you get today, tomorrow you no get again. I don't see am for life. So nothing where I never see. They make me understand a lot of varieties of people of life. You know? But when you can't see yourself for one small circle of, in short, I'm thanking my God that all the fight was not to fight me, but was to give me blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
You understand? All the fight, you know. And do you know, person like me, where they free and open, Baba God no actually they allow those type of evil people to come near us. So when they come, now Baba God will still set you out of them, will set you free from them. You understand? Because yeah, you are just who you are, and God is God that searches the hearts.
Yeah.
He's not looking for perfectness or perfection in us human beings. He knows say our perfectness is very hard. Now only through him now we dey get am. So he always know how it take dey put am together. Hi Monica, my love, where are you going? I have appointments. I finish work this early morning. I go back house, go quickly dress up. Na so we take the road. No me say I dey work for that reason you can't look nyama nyama. No, or because I don't feel look nyama nyama in the morning, I dey look like the person who can say this is fake life. No, it's not fake life. Working is different. Appointment is different. Even this one, you see, I look casual. I no even do eyebrow. So appointment go there. Okay. I go wear I should look keke. Yes. Yes. Now how you carry yourself. There is nothing as sweet as my freedom, my lady. That's why. Oh, thank you, Joyful Baby Care. How are you, my lady? Things happen in one life for a reason. I tell you. That's why I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm thankful always. I know they pray. Without I not pray for everybody who was with me during this time, who used one word or the other to pray for me, to encourage me, to understand the things I did not even understand. I not be person where to they understand all this type of I don't know how that is taken for English. You know, people will just they will know all those read minutes. I'm not perfecting those type of life. I just be juburu, just open be. Forget say some people don't like that. You know, they say this word too dangerous. Me tell you, I beg me warun dia. Abi. You understand? So all of you now, we understand the danger. That time, even more than me. Say, oh, see Monica, no know where it is. Oh, God save this Monica. Now God, I go bless all of you now. I appreciate you now. I really enjoy what you now give me. I will not play with it. I will not jeopardize it. No. I enjoy the freedom. Oh, cha. Can talk anything. Can do any type of comment. I can do any type of topic. In short, anything. People can call me, talk their life history. Nobody go hear them. Nobody know me so again in my life. It's too sweet. Understand? Even my own husband, they see me, they talk to 24/7. Not be before. I'll come give and say, wait, call me around between 10:30 and 11 o'clock. You hear? I thought to you that I know this. It's not like that again. Yeah. Maybe to you now go surprise you, say, eh? Why were you doing that? Are you crazy? Yeah, when you are in some kind situation, you are crazy. You don't know what you are doing. You think you are having life, you don't know what you are doing. Lady, enjoy your freedom. I enjoy my freedom with big space, no sharing. Eh? No sharing. Somebody brought one powerful marker shoe for me, cover shoe. They not size me well. You know, they use big 40, not small 40. I for don't still send them. You see, now I can bless other people, not just a particular person again and again. You go live whenever you like. I feel do life now. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, one Facebook too. Anyhow, anywhere. You understand? Oh, I love you so much. I love you guys so much too. It's not fake life. It's putting yourself together. Yay! It is packaging according to Blessing CEO. It is packaging. When you are coming back from work, no makeup, with your kind of working clothes, then you reach out, you dress up another one, you are going to another one. They will call it fake life. Oh, they'll say fake life. You understand? It's not fake life. It's packaging. It's knowing how you put yourself. Yes. So my people, I'm almost in my appointment. When I'm going back, I won't stay long. I want just submit paper. Okay? When I'm going back, I will come back live again. We'll come talk. Okay, my people. You can send it to me. Okay, you use small 40. If you get tiny leg, will be 40. Don't get wide leg like also. You know enter. You understand? If you want, I can give to you. Because my children, those who never know the importance of cover show. If I even say come and take, they'll say no, they don't want. Okay, my lady, write me. Okay, guys, bye. See you guys later. I will be back.